Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network.
Welcome back.
And today we're going to do an unboxing.
Ooh.
We got the Olafus Wi-Fi motion sensor security lights. And I don't know how to install these at all. I mean, I just got the box. So we're going to kind of tear into it and see how to put these up and see how they work. Let's go. Wow, here we go. Look at this. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So this needs to be wired up. 3 wires, whatever.
Yeah, it's not a ton. I think we just need to take a look around. We could always use lights around the house.
Yeah, but to hardwire it into somewhere.
Now, if you use an existing light, we take it out and we replace it with this one. Let's just look around.
Yeah, let's take a look around.
Let's look around. So here we are, folks. And since we found out this is actually a hardwire kit, which we didn't know, right?
Right.
So for this product, we're looking around just to see if we can find a good spot that we could replace an existing light with. We would have to take off this old light, which has the screws right here and over here. And we need to see where our screws line up on this unit.
So on this here, we have a plate that would attach up under here, underneath the eave, and then this goes up onto the attachment.
Right, and now, folks, we don't know necessarily if what that plate has underneath of it. So it may not be very compatible. I've never taken that off, but I am guessing it's just 2 screw holes, right?
If we can do it there, that's gonna be great. Before we install anything or do anything, we wanna make sure we got the power shut off to that light. So first of all, we had to go over here and figure out which switch turned that on. This one, obviously. Boom, that one right there. Now, I gotta shut the breaker off. See, I wanna make sure that I've got the right breaker. So obviously we turned it on, turned the light on. Now we're gonna come over here. There we go. So now we know that there's no power going to that light, and we shouldn't get electrocuted.
We shan't get electrocuted, at least we hope not. And Will has asked me to do this for him.
Yeah, pull those lights.
So he doesn't get electric shocked into the
I'd rather you get shocked.
He would much rather I get shocked. Isn't
No,
that
that's not nice.
So.
Anyways.
I agree.
All right. All right. Let's see if this will do the trick. Yeah, there we go. There's the wires. So it looks like all I need to do is detach those wires there and see what's next. Check that out. A little crusty, or whatever. All right, so I'm gonna need to take this plate off here. Okay, look at that.
Yama. It's disgusting.
Yeah, it is what it is. Jennifer, what are you using that chisel for? So you're like improvising right now.
I don't have all my good tools. So.
Right, there you go. The Olafus 55-watt smart Wi-Fi motion sensor LED security light has a lot of great features. One of them is a smart app to control the device. Download and use the app to remotely control the motion sensor outdoor light, and it only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which can easily recognize the regulation of temperature, color, brightness, sensing distance, and duration. Compared with traditional security lights, this smart security light avoids the complicated manual adjustment of floodlight settings, which is more convenient and easy. Another great feature is its intelligent voice control. The outdoor floodlights are compatible with Alex and Google Assistant intelligent voice control, which can easily turn off and adjust the brightness of color temperature of the light through voice commands. The app records each sensor trigger time, allowing you to know what's going on nearby. Another feature that I was really happy about was the ability to adjust the color temperature and brightness. The 55-watt outdoor floodlight can reach a maximum brightness of 5500 lumens and supports free adjustment of color temperature from 2700 to 6500K. You can easily set and customize the color temperature and brightness of the lamp. The light also comes with an enhanced motion sensor. Upgraded PIR sensor, the motion sensor light is more powerful. It supports a maximum motion sensing angle of 180 degrees, a maximum detection distance of 72 feet, and a wider and farther human body induction trigger area. And hey,
Yay!
it works! So, I think it was a pretty good installation.
Yeah, it turned out bright.
So the Olafus Wi-Fi motion sensor security light is doing its job.
Yeah.
And it turned on as we were walking up the driveway. Man, and it's bright. It's super bright, right?
Really bright.
And it was easy to install the app, the Smart Life app. You just went on online. You can go to Google Play or whatever. You can do it manually, or you could scan the QR code and it'll take you right to it. The product's really good. I recommend it. The install went pretty well. I kind of fumbled and bumbled through it. Jenny was pretty decisive on how she wanted it up there, so it wasn't too bad. And basically we just took it out of the box and put it up. So there you go, as easy as that. But anyway, you guys, thanks for stopping back for another product review, and we'll catch you later. Bye.